I'm going to explain everything to you. When we carry with this woman, they are finding salt so that they will not go and steal. So when we go to bush to carry this mango, they pay tax. Our way coming for road. You have many challenges of road safety, police, VRO, all civil servants of forces. They will collect driver money all after we pay petrol 900 naira. We will buy petrol 900. Police will be collecting 100, 150 till from you to MAKURDI. So we are finding it difficult to bring it.
Like you have like mango farm.
Yes, we have mango farm here, much.
So today I went to the market. This is like a fruit market. If you go to this market, you see different type of fruit. But now this is mango season, so it's mango that you see in this market. So I was here, trying to price the mango and looking around. You can see all those fresh, good looking mangoes that we have here in BENUE State, Nigeria. Look at it, it's very beautiful. They are beautiful mangoes. And when I wanted to buy this one, was just saying, buy this one. But I was looking at it, the way she was doing, so I did not even want to buy with her. So she was giving me like 4 mangoes for, can I say 50 cents? Yes, 4 mangoes for 50 cents. So I said, okay, I don't want to buy much because the way she was behaving. So I said, okay, let me not buy much. I was just checking the mango, looking at it to see how it looks. So her neighbor was just asking if we are videoing her. I told her that we're not videoing you, and we were just pricing. It's good when you go to the market and then you price. So I end up buying just 1 mango for like how many cents? I think that was like 10 cents. Yeah, I bought one for 10 cents, and she was not happy with me. So she wanted to sell those ones with me to me, and she was giving me this one. She gave me this for like 25 cents. This particular one, and that's about 250 naira. I said no, I don't want it. I don't like this particular one. So she said okay, she would change, but the way she talked to me, I said, let me not buy it. Alright, so I came to where they were offloading these mangoes. Like this is where they were offloading them for real. Look at it. Sometimes this mango, they call it, some people call it broken, some people call it broken. So I don't know. So hear what this man has to say about this. How do you get this?
I get this from yes.
Like you have like mango farm?
Yes, we have mango farm here, much.
So now, imagine you bring this now, you're not able to sell it. What happens?
Because we don't have any preservative method.
So there's no way you can preserve this mango?
Of course.
So if you spoil now, there's no way you can leave it so straight away. So here they were packing the mango, they pack and then they would dump it somewhere, they would drop it somewhere, not like they would dump. The reason why you see this mango is like this is because they are bringing it from somewhere. So by the time it gets to the market, I was just happy. By the time it gets to the market, then they need to put it for some days before it arrives. So with this, you can carry it at least for 4 days or 3 days journey, 5 days journey. Then by the time you reach your destination, you still have your mango to eat. So I was just helping them to pack and so that they go and drop it somewhere. So I was here assisting them. It's a nice job. It was a nice experience. Yeah, and with some of my videos, I'll still travel and go to those villages and then see how where they produce, where they plant those mangoes, and where those mangoes are coming from. Look at them packing them, still doing it, assisting them. So if you want to eat mango, good mango, come to BENUE State. Or if you have anybody that you know that is in BENUE State, communicate with them. They can get good mangoes for you because BENUE State is a food basket of Nigeria. BENUE State, Nigeria, we have plenty different kinds of fruit in our state. We have a lot of food. So no matter how the challenges that we are having, the crisis or anything, we still have fruit. So I was going to do something.
I know that you are the driver of this mango.
Yes.
Okay. So what are the challenges that you normally face when you are bringing this mango from?
Thank you very much. I'm going to explain everything to you. When we carry with this woman, they are finding salt so that they will not go and steal. So when we go to bush to carry this mango, they pay tax. Our way coming to road. You have many challenges of road safety, police, VRO, all civil servants of forces. They will collect driver money all after we pay petrol 900 naira. We will buy petrol 900. Police will be collecting 100, 150. See from you to MAKURDI. Road safety 1,000 naira. So we are finding it difficult to bring it. From our taking it to Abuja, from our taking it to Latvia. But every day you come in, you see mango. But I know that the main company God bless our governor of BENUE State, Padalia, is capable to bring us company, big company of juice, green, mango, orange, and etc.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Donald from you.
So after the interview, we did a handshake with the driver. He was just telling me the challenges that he normally faces on the road when he's coming from whatever he's coming from. So because of police and different kind of people who give them stress on the road, so he was just lamenting, you know. So at times it's always good to express yourself, you know. Those drivers, they face a lot, and police too, they are still doing their job to make sure they are secured, you know. So all of them, I give them kudos. All right, they're doing a wonderful, great job. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm in the market. This is a mango market, mostly like fruit market. You can see, look at them, they are packing mangoes, there are plenty of mangoes here. And if you look down there, there are there's mango in that small car. So there's mango everywhere, and I'm going to go around this market and see how I price this mango. Like this one would cost you like, let's say 2 cents. 2 cents is fine, not up to $1. Let's go.
BENUE State is the food basket. Look at mango very, very, very sweet. Everywhere. You have to share, because if you're here, you'll definitely enjoy the beauty of BENUE State. Yeah, so this is just what this market is. MAKURDI BENUE State railway market. This is a market. Don't worry. Sell mango. So you can see watermelon. Once again, guys, then I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. But we're going to travel to where? Guys, thank you so much for watching.